Hey guys, it's me, Shantae. It is Friday, March 3rd. I wanted to do a Blackhead mask, activated carbon Bioaqua. I bought this for $2 on Wish.com. If you don't know what Wish.com is, you can look it up on Facebook. It has some Chinese writing on it, I don't know, but a lot of their stuff on Wish.com comes from China or somewhere overseas. That's why it's so cheap. And it actually took this box about, I want to say 3 weeks to come. It took my keyboard about 3 weeks to come. I got some other stuff too. Actually, I buy a lot of stuff off of Wish.com. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this and I'm going to try it. This is really good packaging, so I think it's like legit. It's not a sticker. Not a sticker. This is a real box. It comes with this gold sticker to seal it. It's supposed to remove blackheads and dirt and pores and help improve your skin. Pore deep clean. This is the kind of other package it comes in. Tube. Back. As you can see, it has a lot of Chinese writing. This is the front. So, remember I got this off of Wish.com. I hope it works. I've seen some of the reviews that says it works. It says it works great. So that's why I got it. If it didn't say it wouldn't work, I wasn't going to get it because I'd be kind of iffy about putting something on my face. Hopefully this doesn't go bad. I'm just going to apply it around my whole face. Sorry that my hair, looks so crazy. I have this little cap on right now because I had my hair in a sew-in. Okay, this is where I put on my first coat. I put it around my cheeks, nose, eyes, upper lip, my forehead, my chin, the other side of my cheek. And this is my first coat. Then I'm going to apply the second coat, which that's what I'm doing right now. My cheek, my forehead, my upper lip, my chin, and my other side of my face. And now I'm about done. Alright, I'm almost done now. Alright. So yeah, I feel like I used half of it. It's kind of minty. It actually makes my skin feel refreshing. Like it feels like it's opening up my pores. It's the crazy part. Let's see how people do this though. I've seen other masks, which I'm probably gonna try those too. Ooh, I think I got my hair that's gonna hurt. Oh my gosh. Alright. So that took me about 10 minutes to apply. I don't know, even 10, but. And then we're gonna sit here and wait for it to dry. So it says 11 minutes right now, and I will let you guys know how long it took to dry. See you guys when it's dry. Alright, we're back, YouTube, and it took about, I want to say 10 minutes. It looks like it's wet, but it's not wet. It's like dry. I can barely move my face. I can just you see that? Like it hurts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start peeling the edges, and then I'm going to let Miles peel off the rest. You ready, Miles?
No, I'm going to pull the whole part off.
Oh, he's going to pull the whole part off. So this is what we're going to do. Oh, shoot.
It hurts.
Oh, the hairs hurt. Oh, okay. Okay, you don't have to pull from my mouth. Right here. See that? See how it's already pulled off? I want you to pull it from there.
Okay. I pull.
Okay, I'll help you pull. Oh. Oh my god. You see that coming off? See how it's dry?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Go ahead, Miles, pull. You gotta pull fast though.
I can't.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
pull it fast.
Okay, you gotta keep pulling some more. Oh my god, when it really gets by the hairs, it hurts. You hear that? Oh! Okay, now pull.
Oh.
Oh!
I got it.
Okay. My skin does feel soft though. Okay, keep pulling. Pull it towards you. Don't pull this. Keep pulling. Oh! Ow!
Ah.
Okay. Go ahead, keep going. No matter if I scream, just keep going. Oh my god. Ow.
Oh.
Ow. Ow, ow, ow. Okay. Okay. That area right there, we'll have to go fast. Alright. Go ahead, go.
No.
Just pull it hard.
No.
Just pull it quick, fast.
I can't.
Pull it. Don't pull it slow. You pull it slow. Oh. Oh my god, that hurts.
Is that hair part that hurts? No. No, that's not hurting.
It's gonna hurt when you go slow.
It's gonna be too hard.
Okay, pull it.
No, it's gonna be too hard.
Just pull it. Just pull it. Pull it hard you can. Pull. Oh. Keep
I
going.
can't do it. I know.
He said I can't do it. Okay. Ooh. That's why you need just somebody just pull. There you go. See?
That's a big piece.
I don't know. I guess it does pull off. I don't know. I don't know if that's hair or those are blackheads, but I feel like it's
hair and blackheads.
Does it say hair too? Oh, I see how. You know what this feels like? It feels like It feels like that stuff you probably put on your underarms and when you get a
wax.
Oh yeah, wax. That's what it feels like. That's probably what this is.
Then you gotta wash your hair. Wash your hair. Just pull it.
Miles is doing good. I can get it.
Do your mommy, baby.
Okay, that's not bad right there. All right.
Probably wasn't on there good.
I think it was still wet. Ow.
Keep it still.
Wait.
You're scaring me.
I'm scaring you. You scaring me. Because it hurt. Oh my god. Go, pull it.
No, it's going to be too hard.
Pull it fast. Fast. Come on, fast. Ow.
Oh, I did it.
Okay.
It's okay?
Yes, okay.
I did it. That's too hard. This is so easy, the math.
Oh. Ooh, okay, we got to go to the other side of the face. That'll make it no better. Come on, you gotta pull hard, like fast.
No. It's going to be
When you pull it slow, it hurts.
Oh.
Okay.
See, I did it. Gentle.
Did it gentle.
I heard it.
I feel like some of this stuff is kind of still wet, so it's not too bad.
It's just cold.
Like this right here.
It's just cold. It's just cold.
Just cold.
It's just cold and wet. That's all. I see one puddle. I got it. Ooh. This stuff smells like velvet, smells like hair.
It feels like hair.
Because when I grab it, so cold. With water in it.
This part not gonna work.
No.
Pull it.
No.
god.
The way you feel.
It felt like you pulled it more than you put. Like it was down here. Come on. You just pulled that a little bit.
When they get it down there, close the eye.
Come on, just go like this. Just go like that.
No.
You gotta go faster than that. Ah!
I got it.
Okay.
Ooh. Got it. I told us.
Ooh.
Oh.
Alright, go ahead.
Can I get that? Okay.
Don't hold it. Come on, don't hold it. Come on.
I like it down.
That's my hair. Ooh. Okay, there we go. Woo. Alright. Let's see if I can see anything. I just see hair. All I see is hair.
Let me clean your face up. One part, your nose. I can get it for you. Ooh.
Oh my god.
It's so sticky, isn't it?
What's she doing?
Trying to clean that up.
It looks like hair too. Faces feel a lot better. Huh? Looks better.
I like it, this black stuff.
Ooh.
I don't like that. I don't like that black stuff on there.
It'll come off.
How?
I gotta see. Just rub it off. It'll come off if you rub
Rub
it.
this.
Wait. Ow!
Oh.
Got my eye.
Okay.
Lord.
That's heavy.
Alright, I'm almost done. What is this numbers thing that just popped up? Alright. Let's try this again. Oh my god. I can't get it off. It's crazy. Oh my god, it hurts so bad. I must have hair, like, little small hairs. I got hair everywhere, though. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's stuff right there on my sideburns. This is gonna hurt.
Don't do it.
Get that on my hair. I didn't think this was gonna be that intense. I thought it was like, I thought people were exaggerating, but this ain't not exaggerating. This stuff really hurts like that. Oh my god. Tired. Okay. I guess Miles is leaving us now that he got to peel it off of my face and hurt me. Oh my god.
I'm gonna help you.
No, just that. You're fine.
No. Oh. I'm gonna help you.
No,
I want it to hurt worse.
I got it. Ooh.
I get this off your lip.
Okay.
Oh. Oh, don't smash it, huh?
You got to. It's gonna hurt. Ooh.
The hurt. Oh.
God, that hair.
Mm-hmm. Oh remember that time I tore my mask? On your face.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. This part.
On that side, you do that. Alright. Oh my god, why do I feel like there's still some up there in my hand? Like, it feels like eye. Alright. So most of it's gone and off of my face. And yeah. That shit hurt.
Then wash it.
I am. I'm going to.
That's gonna work, is it?
Yeah, it should work.
Yeah, I'll get you. Which one's your towel?
That shit hurt. I got my mouth. Ew. Okay. Yeah. And I got little pieces on my face. But alright, you guys. If you like this video of me doing this mask and letting Miles pull it off my face, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Comment what you guys think of the video. If you guys want me to do more videos like this, let me know. If you guys have any suggestions of some videos that I should do, let me know. You can catch me doing his game videos. So we're gonna start trying to do some game videos as soon as I get some money to have the recording box. So you guys stay tuned for Miles' game videos. He got his new PS4. He went from PS3 to a PS4. So
Mommy, let's go play.
and he's pretty good. He can play zombies, Call of Duty. What else you play? GTA, Minecraft.
And Little Big Planet.
Oh yeah, he plays Little Big Planet too. So.
That's a cool game.
Yeah, it is a pretty cool game. Alright, see you guys later.
Play the game.
Bye.
Bye.